When I moved houses recently, a few pieces of rolling stock were damaged. Today, we're going to fix them up. So, I started by just brushing the freight car clean with a cloth. I also later went in and fixed one of the broken handrail holders. The most obvious problem with the tanker was the lack of one of its trucks. I was able to find one that closely resembled its original along with a screw. Before I do that, however, I wanted to switch the couplings out for knuckle couplers. One was missing its cover, so I tried to find a new one, but it ended up interfering with the coupling spring, so I opted for it just to be exposed. Then I took off the other truck to change the coupling on that side. I then put the trucks back on and the Virginian Truckee tanker was ready to go. These kit-built freight cars are some of the first in my collection to be completely upgraded. The first thing I did was I removed all of their old plastic wheels and put in all new metal ones. This is something I want to do with all of my rolling stock over time. The next thing to tackle was the couplers. I had to pry the covers off, but at least I had both of them this time. Once these steps were done, it was time to re-glue the weight back in. This had been moving around and beating the ends of the gondolas, so I wanted to glue it down before I put down the interior cover. Then I glued the cover down, and since this wasn't my first time having to glue it down, I added a little too much glue. Big mistake, it ended up misting quite a lot. But besides that, these were ready to go. The last one was quite a simple fix. This old-fashioned 40-foot boxcar had its top spokes broken off, so I just had to re-glue them. It was kind of hard trying to space them out, but over time I got them. I wanted to be careful not to over-glue any of them because I didn't want them misting up like the last freight cars. Overall, it was a really easy fix. Now it's time to just test all of our new freight cars. And that will conclude today's video. Thank you very much for watching.